आपस में चाटो मास, घर जाके बांटो मास।
Hello to everyone, I am Gaurav and I welcome you all in my new blog. I hope you all are fine. I am also fine. So first of all, I am really sorry that I am uploading my blog after 1 month. I know it's too much late, but due to my some own personal reason, and I am also preparing for my state PCS. So I was too much busy in my studies like history, polity, geography, core subject, and I have less time, so I am focusing more on my preparation and my study, not on my blogs. But I'll try my best that I will upload my blogs every week, and I hope you will enjoy this blog. If you enjoy this blog, so please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.
I'm sorry for the change in the things I say. It's not that I don't notice, to me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that it's here, that I don't let it show, that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought. I'm in love with your design. When you dress up for the night and I don't say a word, it's not that I don't notice, but still you should have heard. Complacent in the way I see you every day. Oh, I don't wanna throw this away. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't let it show that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design. Ooh, put it all on the line.
So friends, if you are preparing for UPSC and want to join any coaching institute or want to prepare with good guidance, so I just want to tell you something about testbook.com. Testbook offers UPSC live coaching to help students prepare for UPSC, and these courses are designed with complete 360-degree coverage with interactive live classes, PDF notes, practice questions and mock test. If we talk about some courses of Testbook, so Testbook provides many targeted courses like UPSC GS 222 Foundation Pre Plus Main course, where you will get 380 plus live classes, 30 plus mock tests, PDF notes and 1500 plus practice questions. And you can also check out their demo lectures, and you will also get short notes of NCERTs, economy and history polity, so you can check out in their website. And if you talk about another course, so they also provide you UPSC GS 223 Foundation course, in which you will get 450 plus live classes, 50 plus mock test, PDF notes and also practice questions. If you talk about UPSC IAS GS 224 Foundation course, so here you will get 650 plus live classes, 70 plus mock test, PDF notes and 4000 plus practice questions. So these courses are available in testbook.com with 2 languages, first English and second bilingual. So it's choice to you that which year you are targeting. If you are targeting for 2022, so you have to join as early you can, but if your target is like 223 224, so you have enough time and you can join any courses if you want, and you can also take guide from toppers strategy. But if you have less time and you want to prepare in a guided manner in a less time, so you can check out their all courses in textbook.com, and if you like, so you can take any courses from it.
I'm sorry for the change in the things I say. It's not that I don't notice, to me it's still the same. If I don't show a sign, I'm leaving my love blind, expecting you to read my mind. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that I don't, let it show that I want you. There's not a way to explain that it couldn't be better. It's more than I ever thought I could find. Put it all on the line. I'm in love with your design. When you dress up for the night and I don't say a word, it's not that I don't notice, but still you should have heard. Complacent in the way I see you every day. Oh, I don't wanna throw this away. Well, I hope that you know that I hear that
10 में छाटो बस, घर जाके बांटो मत। हेलो, मास मास, ले लो।
थोड़ा और खतरनाक करो तो
ले लो, मास 10 रुपए। बच्चों की बड़ों, हेलो, मास ले 10 रुपए।